Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make flower satin using ribbons. So now we have 4 cm ribbon, yellow. Then we need also this carton for the cutting. Then if you have roller, you can use your roller 8 cm. Then we have scissor. Then we have also glue gun. So now guys is we need 30 pieces of ribbons. So, i-cut natin siya 8 cm, then 30 pieces. So, gawin nito, pag ganito lang siya guys. Then, if you have roller, so, roller yung gagamitin nyo. So, sa akin guys, this is also my first time to make this kind of flower. Then, hopefully, I can make it. So, now we have 30 pieces ribbon. So, it's time to make fire. By the way, if you have lighter guys, much better you can use lighter para easy siya gamitin. So sa akin guys, kasi wala akong lighter, so ito yung gagamitin ko. So yung first 15 pieces guys, i-cutting mo siya ng pagganyan, pa-triangle, yung pinaka-tip niya guys. So yung 15 pieces naman is, wag mo na siyang i-cutting. So steady mo na yung 15 pieces. Ito po yung next guys, is parang lagyan mo siya ng dayon i-pinch mo yung pinaka center. Then ganyan lang siya guys, easy lang siya gawin. Then you must follow this video para masunod mo lahat ng step by step process. So now guys, after mo siya maganyan, so yung next tips is tupiin mo siya ng paganyan, then fire. What? And use your lighter. So, yung next 15 pieces guys is yung next nating gagawin. So, like this. So, sobrang easy lang niya guys pag ganyan. Then, you can use other stick glue. Then, pwede naman dito sa lighter. Then, tupiin palikod. Ganyan lang siya guys. At same process sa kabila. Then, lahat ng 15 pieces, gawin mo ng ganyan. So, well done. Meron na tayong 30 pieces. So, now is kumuha na kayo ng stick and glue gun. So, idikit na natin to yung unang 15 pieces guys. Ito, then idikit natin lahat sa stick first. Then, pang last na yung isang style ng petals. So, this is the first layer guys, yung 15 pieces, nadikit na natin lahat. Then, yung second layer guys, yung isang style na petals. So, ganyan lang siya guys. So, mag-start na tayo magdikit. Idikit natin to lahat dito sa sa first layer. Pag ganyan lang siya guys. Until maubos mo yung 15 pieces. Dapat guys, alternate siya para mas maganda tingnan. So, ito na yung 15 pieces guys. So, idikit lang natin siya dito sa first layer hanggat maubos tong 15 pieces. Sobrang easy lang naman niya guys gawin. Even though this is my first time to make this flower, but I don't know exactly what's the name of this. But I really love to show you, and hopefully you like this video also. Then if ever guys, if you want to see more videos about how to make flower using satin ribbon, of course I have more video tutorial there in my description box, and you can check it later. Oh, ayan na siya guys, malapit na tayong natapos. So yung last na lang is ayan, pang center na lang dyan sa flower para mas maganda tingnan yung final look niya. So ganyan guys, oh, kitang-kita nyo na almost done and become beautiful flower. Charot. So ayan na siya. So I'm gonna make more different color of this soon. So and hopefully guys, this video can helps a lot, and also you have you can get more ideas from me. I know naman that some of you has good talent, and yeah, this is a final look. So cute. So if ever you like to put any leaves, so it's up to you guys. So this is my finished product guys. It's really amazing and beautiful. Wow, proud. And anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.